we're all here today doing great things. I'll just give you a few lines of Kipling, only a few because his poem's quite a long one. Famous army poem, which is called Tommy. One of the verses towards the end is, it's Tommy this and Tommy that and Tommy, how's your soul? But it's thin red line of heroes and the drums begin to roll. It's thin red line of heroes when the drums begin to roll. But we ain't a thin red era, just single men in barracks. Most remarkable, I am. And that really puts it, because we're just the same. Every one of us doing every little bit that we can to help our fellow man and woman.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it's a huge privilege and honour for me to be here tonight, just to say a couple of words at the end of this amazing, well, it's the start of the evening, I guess, but at the end of this kind of bit of speeches. I've only literally just met Chris for the last 10 minutes, but, you know, I guess like all of you, whenever you chat to Chris, you're blown away by just how inspirational he is, by how selfless he is, and I think we've heard just a small snippet, I guess, of a life of selfless commitment and dedication to others, which is the bit that I guess strikes me as we hear about all the things he's done throughout his life, and he continues to do despite his failing health. He's still doing what he can and still absolutely giving his all for the good and benefit of others. So absolutely inspirational. And I don't know about you, but hugely emotional evening.
Thank you for all that you've been doing. Mine is just a small piece, but then we all do little bits to help each other. Let's continue doing it. Thank you.